Barcelona's talks over Kalidou Koulibaly transfer with Napoli interested in swap deal. Barcelona have made contact as they look to sign Kalidou Koulibaly from Napoli, according to reports. Xavi is keen to land another centre-back when the transfer window reopens this summer, despite a deal for Andreas Christensen already being concluded. And though the finances required complicates matters, Napoli are said to be very interested in a swap deal involving Miralem Pjanic. Barcelona are determined to back Xavi in this summer's transfer window, despite the La Liga giants also needing to be cautious with their spending. And sports say they're extremely keen on Koulibaly, who could be sold by Napoli this summer. It's stated that Barcelona have already initiated contact with the Senegal international over a potential move to the new camp at a time where his current club are looking to sell. Previously, Napoli have demanded big money for Koulibaly when the likes of Manchester City and Paris Saint-Germain have come calling. But the Serie A giants are supposedly willing to let him go for less, with Barcelona aware they have a real market opportunity. Think you know sport? Test your sporting knowledge with our tricky quiz, with Barcelona needing to be careful with their finances. However, any deal isn't straightforward. And it's claimed the La Liga titans would like to use a swap deal, with Napoli open to such an arrangement. The Serie A giants would reportedly be very interested in taking Pjanic to Naples this summer, with the Bosnia international surplus to requirements in Catalonia. Pjanic is said to be on the radars of 3 Italian clubs. And though Napoli would be interested in other players too, their respective salaries would be far too high for their price range. Want the latest football news? Join our brand new Facebook group by clicking here. For now, Barcelona are adopting a cautious stance. They know they need to get players off the wage bill, with the likes of Clement Lenglet, Oscar Mingueza and Samuel Umtiti primed to leave. But Barcelona remain hopeful a deal can be struck for Koulibaly, who has been a consistent performer for Napoli in recent years. If signed, he'd be another centre-back option for Xavi, who will have Ronald Araujo, Gerard Piqué, Eric Garcia and Christensen at his disposal. Cesar Azpilicueta is also expected to join when his Chelsea contract expires in the summer. And Barcelona also want to land a new striker this summer too, despite Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang's form since his January arrival from Arsenal. They won't be landing Erling Haaland, who had been their top target prior to announcing he'd be joining Manchester City. But they are eyeing Robert Lewandowski, who is looking increasingly likely to leave Bayern Munich behind. The Poland international has been in sublime form this term, netting 50 goals across all competitions. But whether Barcelona are able to get a deal over the line this summer remains to be seen, with Bayern reluctant to sell. Meanwhile, though Barca want Koulibaly, Demba Ba has called on Chelsea to sign the Napoli star instead. 100%. 1000%, the former Blues striker replied when asked if he'd like to see Chelsea sign Koulibaly. He has that stature. He can support pressure, bear in mind he plays for Senegal and plays for Napoli. He can handle the pressure. He's good as a football player and a top lad.